Greetings, I'm John Bullocky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text, change text on your website quickly and easily. So I've already navigated to this About page on this website, and I'm going to sign in. Now here, this website has a sidebar. If your website doesn't have a sidebar, I'm going to cover that in a moment. But for now, we're just going to sign in. And by the way, if you don't see the sign in button, you may have accidentally moved your mouse over the other layers. Right? Yes, they're links, but if you just move your mouse over them, you get different options. So just move your mouse over sign in for the sign in button, enter your information, and sign in. All right. So again, we have the sidebar here, so I'm going to click on edit this page. All right. Now we're in the CMS editor for that website's about page. So I'm going to hold the control key with my thumb and press the tilde key, because at the bottom right here we have multiple editors in the CMS editor. And all we want to do is change text. We don't want to do code or the page style. We just want to change text, right? So I'm going to do control tilde, and it's going to go to the rich editor. If we keep doing control tilde, it'll just cycle from left to right through the editors, and we want to stop at the rich editor. All right, so I'm just going to take my mouse cursor, click there, type in some text, save and preview. Done. All right, now, what if you don't have a sidebar on your website? So let's go to this website over here. Okay, now they don't have a sidebar visible by default. So what we're going to do is with our thumb, we're going to hold Control and Shift on the keyboard, and we're going to press S as in sidebar with our pointing finger. All right, so Control Shift S, the sidebar is toggled so now we can see it, and all we're going to do is click on Sign In. All right, we're signed in. Now, you can unhide the sidebar again for the edit link, or on all websites, whether there's a sidebar or not, there's a Page Tools menu here. And when you're signed in as a webmaster, there is the Edit This Page link is there as well. So we go there. And again, we're going to do Control tilde, or we could click on Rich, but I'm going to do Control tilde because it's a lot faster. Okay. And I'm going to click in the Rich editor, type in some text, save and preview, done. That fast and easy. Thank you for watching.